When did you know that this was real love and that you wanted to be with this woman for the rest of your life? And Mike shows Carrie his moves on the ice.
Here's a fun fact. A single scoop of game gives more freshness than a whole box of this other stuff. And that much freshness is going to take some getting used to.
Oh, you're pooping. Show Daddy your pooping face.